Alright, update, Space Firebird, video number 2 for Small Town Guy Claw Forums. As you can see, there's the ESS board that's hanging down. Not much too wrong with the ESS board, except for, I don't know if you can see, a lot of cold solder joints on this body. I mean, there were actually some of the places that the solder had even pulled away from the actual pin. Wasn't even there. It was almost like it just popped off. But I resoldered. I went over it real well, and pretty much hit every spot that I could find that was looked like a cold joint. And like I said, I also replaced 4 of the main capacitors on there, which is 220 UF 16 volt axial capacitors. Only one of them tested low, high SR. It was on the verge of failing, so I went over ahead and placed them all with brand new, I think Nichicon caps, very good brand. As you can see, I have it out, and still have some test leads on there, but nothing much in the way. I have it turned on right now, as you can see. I got it on the screen right here. I've got it coined up, and I will show you the final result with sound now. So here's Space Firebird. I'm going to play a 2-player game so you can see it flip-flop on the cocktail table. So here's 2-player. And like I said, I do not have a fire button, but I do have this kind of thingy. I don't know what you can use it like twice. But as you can hear, you can now hear the sounds of the game. The game actually has sounds again. As you can see, now it's flip-flop player 2. So and it's back to this one. And there you are. Basically, there's another board brought back to life from being in the trash bin. Took a little work. Glad you were patient with me, and hope you enjoy it. I will take a look at the other board that you're sending me, and I'll try to get that one running too before I send it out. I think I'll try to send them out at the same time. I know you said Buffet has some stuff of yours, so thanks for watching.